There are multiple ways to start a new tax return utilizing TaxWise Online. You can come over to the dashboard and click on New Return, or from the Return Manager, you can click on New Return. Many tax offices like the opportunity that TaxWise Online offers them to start a new return from the dashboard because you do not have to open the Return Manager. You have two options. You can start from the interviews mode and go through those interview questions, or you can start directly at the actual tax forms. Once you begin a new return in TaxWise Online, you go through the process of looking at those red underlines. So those red underlines are your guide. They help you to put information in. That means that TaxWise is telling you that this is a required area. Wherever you see the red underlines at and the red exclamation points, that indicates that there's missing information. That's missing very important information. However, whenever you see a green check mark, that means that all the information has been addressed and answered. Many of our customers utilize the red underlines as a guide when they're entering tax return data in the system. You can hit Control E on your keyboard to move to the next required field. TaxWise Online has a zip code database. You can enter a zip code in and the city and state will populate. Once I hit Control E on my keyboard, it will move me to the next required field with the red underline. As you can see, I'm navigating by constantly hitting Control E, and moving to all my required areas in the return. Tax preparers also use the interview questions inside of TaxWise Online to help guide you with service and the client. So if the client is sitting in front of you, you have an opportunity to go through these interview questions and determine what documents the client has. If the client has a W-2 or has wages and you select yes, a W-2 will be added automatically to the worksheet. So based off going through these questions, it's very helpful to understand what the client has, especially if the client is sitting in front of you, or if you have the tax documents that the client provided to you, you can still go through these questions and address each and every single one. So if the client provided you with a 1099-R, you'll select that option, and then you'll see the 1099-R input screen populate.